I thought I would do a Diwali look today. It has been a long time since I've sat behind a proper camera studio. I've just been doing kind of Instagram, that sort of stuff, just because, you know, there's been so much that's been going on with the pandemic, and you know, it has affected us. There has been a number of people that we've lost, and most recently my mother-in-law. So Diwali is, although it's a really sad time, the one thing that I've learned through all the losses that I've experienced is that life does continue, and every single day that I'm here I need to make it count with my family. I also know that if Mum was around, she would be very much in the celebrations, enjoying all the food, enjoying all the fuss that we were making around the house in terms of the decor and the little things and activities that we would be doing together. So this is kind of my way of kind of keeping her close to my heart and continuing with that tradition, and also doing some things this Diwali that remind me of her, like for example wearing her saris, making the kind of sweets that she would normally make before she had Alzheimer's, and sort of like, you know, kind of talking about those memories and those moments with my husband and my children. So it feels sort of special, it feels really healing, and like always, makeup has been something that really does heal me, and so I feel like I need the makeup more than ever at the moment to kind of continue that journey. And Diwali is a special time, so why not get dressed and help in terms of making myself feel good, and hopefully that will help to sort of like allow me to continue and move on and heal, and in turn help you guys with the makeup looks that you might want to see or you've been requesting from me for a while now. I've got a beautiful gold lehenga that I'm going to be wearing today, and Diwali is all about glitz and glamour and all that sort of stuff for me, so I'm going to go full on with the glitz and glamour and the glittery eyes this time, and I'm hoping you're going to like the look. So I've got this wonderful pack from Origins for Diwali, and I'm going to be using that to prime my face. So I've got the eye cream, I've got the serum, and I've got the moisturiser. Wow, that is pretty insane. How good does that look? That is a pretty damn good colour. Define my brows with the MUA Academy's Brow Define Pencil. And again, I want a little bit of this for my brow bone area. So I'm going to start here, go outwards, come into the inside, meet in the middle, and then flick up. So that's the eyes done. Now with a bit of bronzer. Blusher, I'm going to go with Telling Glow by MAC. Lashes, I'm going to go with Nutan by Lure. I'm going to go in with this collaboration that MAC did with Jeremy Scott quite a few years ago at Couture Week, and the colour I think I'm going to go with is this one, and it's called Digging It. It's the top one there that I'm going to go with. My clothes on and show you what it finally looks like. I've got this skin finish by Sienna Professional, and I just wanted to just spritz a little bit here and on the shoulders and just blend that slightly because it gives you a really lovely sort of glow. And I've got these really cute little earrings. For my chutney, and that is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed this Diwali look as much as I have in creating it. I feel so much confident and feel like myself again, and it's so healing and therapeutic always to doing makeup, especially for me, and I always firmly believe that for others that it can also help and heal too. Wherever you are, have a peaceful Diwali and a happy and healthy one. Stay well, and I hope you and your family will enjoy it as virtually as possible. I know it's not quite the same like every year is normally, but Nutan Varshna Abhinandan and happy Diwali.